Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford F-150. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip center mount number 855093. Now there are a couple things we want to mention before we get started. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You can see it as this red covering here. You'll want to peel those coverings off before you install the mount to the dash. Now that tape does not leave any marks or residue behind if you ever have to remove the mount in the future. The second thing we want to mention is make sure you attach the mount to your vehicle before you screw anything to this faceplate. So with that, you will get started. Now this mount, when you get it, will come in two halves in the bag. The first step will be attaching the two halves together using this center attaching piece. So the mount has a cutout that kind of looks like a puzzle piece. You'll want to line that up and put them together, making sure the textured side is up on both halves. Then you're going to place the center attaching piece on top, lining up these holes with the brass grommets underneath, and then screwing it down using the included machine screws and Allen key. Now that the two halves are put together, we're ready to attach it to the dashboard. Now this mount attaches in two positions. The first is this lip right here above the center vent. The second is actually going to be up by the windshield where the defroster vent is. So now we're going to take our mount, and this front kind of J-shaped lip is going to hook in by the defroster vent. So we can do that. So now that we have that in place, we can take our fingers and put them behind the faceplate, and we're going to pull forward and flex the mount just enough so that we can get this front lip over the edge by the vent here. There we go. Now that the mount's in place, we have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. Or if you have a vehicle with column shift, now's the time that we're going to attach the optional extension plate using the included self-tapping screws.